Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video, I'm sitting in a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country minivan, and I will show you how to enable or disable the child locks. This video will apply to Town & Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first I will quickly explain what the child locks are. By engaging the child locks, you are pretty much disabling the opening of rear sliding doors from the inside. Especially that's very handy when the vehicle is driving and you have small kids on the back seats. So if somebody tries to open the sliding door by pulling onto the handle, nothing will happen, and the only way these doors can be opened is from the outside. Okay, now to enable the child locks, first you want to open the sliding doors all the way. Then you want to go to the back of this sliding door, and right here you will see a couple of symbols: unlock, lock, and a small person, and there is like a small switch here. So right now this is set to unlock position. If you push it all the way to the right, just like this will engage the child locks and nobody can open these doors from the inside. That's how it works. To disengage them, just slide this pin back to unlock position. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.